Head is spinning, thinking about I need that bad boy to do me right on a Friday, and I need that good one to wake me up on a Sunday. That one from work can come over on Monday night. I want them all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my ratchet fingernails. I'm not going to be getting them done anytime soon because I'm getting ready to start school and I'm not allowed to have fake nails, which is very depressing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cute look for Valentine's Day. It's a glittery purple cut crease with a sweet pink lip and just a very glowy, flushed face. Whether you're going out to dinner with your significant other or you're just chilling at home by yourself, drinking wine, loathing the fact that it's Valentine's Day, get yourself looking cute. So if you're interested, just keep watching and we will go ahead and get started. My skin is breaking out so bad, you guys. I don't know what's going on. Could be just the time of the month, because usually once a month I will break out pretty badly on my chin. So please excuse that. I did change up my skincare routine lately though, and I'm excited to do a video on that soon. So anyway, I am priming my face and my eyes. I did my eyebrows off camera as well. And we're going to jump right into this eye makeup look. So what I'm doing first is I'm grabbing this purpley shade from my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And I'm going to take a fluffy blush, I always do that, a fluffy brush. And I'm going to focus putting the color into my crease, just going slightly above the crease. Not that high. You don't want to take it to your brow bone, but you want to stay in the crease. Once you get your dark color blended out, I took a transition shade, which was a chestnutty brown, and I used that to blend the dark color into my brow bone area. Once all the shadows are blended, this is when you're going to do your cut crease. So here I'm taking a small flat brush with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and you really want to take your time on this. This can get tricky. If you have never done this before, I would say pick up as little product as you can on your brush and go slow. So what I'm doing here is I'm finding the crease in my eyelid and I'm covering everything underneath it with concealer. Once you have applied all of your concealer to your eyelid, I took a white cream shade and I am packing that on top of the concealer. Because we're going to be putting glitter on, I want to have a shadow base instead of a concealer base. So as you can see, I am applying the silver glitter. This is in Diamond Dust from Stila Cosmetics. It's chunky glitter. It's not a shadow glitter. But I'm using just a small flat brush to apply this, and I'm putting more of it towards the middle of my eyelid and then just blending it out to the edges. I went ahead and did my lashes and my eyeliner off camera because it's all kind of the same, but that is what the eyes will look like. I know this looks super creepy not having my face done yet, but for right now I am spritzing my face with my Saturday Skin Essence Mist just to cool off a little bit. And I'm going to be doing my foundation with my L'Oreal Lumi, True Match Lumi foundation. And I see a lot of Instagrammers doing this technique. They're like just pumping the foundation onto their skin. So I figured, you know, I'll try it out. We'll see how it goes. Next step is concealer. You already know what it is. I do this in every single video. This is my Tarte Shape Tape. Sorry, I just got a Snapchat. Always interrupting me. Next, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just setting my under eye and under my cheekbones as well. While my powder is baking, I am just using my bronzer, and I'm going to be bronzing up the outline of my face and doing some slight contour. Now I'm going to be taking some blush from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Merlot. And I'm just going to be adding that. And I just remembered I didn't do my bottom lashes, so I'm also doing those right now. I did add some white eyeliner to my waterline, as you can see. I really liked the way that that came out.
For my highlighter, I'm using the shade Worthy from Tarte Cosmetics. Worthy is like a pink toned. It's very pretty, very soft. When you're doing a pink look like this, I think it's important to match your highlighter shade as well with your eyeshadow. And the lipstick that I'm wearing in this video is from ColourPop. It is in the shade Fresh Cut. It's a very nice rosy pink shade. This is the completed look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, please remember to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!